Hi, third graders, and welcome to lesson 5 for math. With today's lesson, we're going to be doing some math fluency, and we're also going to work on our application problem together. So for today's lesson, you are going to need your whiteboard marker, and eraser if you have one. And then you're also going to need your Learn book and a pencil. Go ahead and pause this video and get your materials ready. Okay, now that you're ready, we're going to start with some group counting. So first we're going to count by 2. When my thumb goes up, we're going to increase the numbers. We're going to have the numbers get bigger by 2. Thumb down, the numbers are going to get smaller by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and now we're going to do our group counting by 3s. Again, this is a little bit trickier because you in the past haven't had to skip count by 3s. If you need more practice, I want you to go to YouTube and watch the Counting by 3s song so that you get to know the routine and know how to skip count by 3. So let's try it together. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. So even in my head, I was singing our 3 song. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And that helps me count forward and count backwards by 3. Okay, let's go ahead and we are going to use our whiteboards. And remember, if I'm going too fast at all, you're welcome to pause the video so that you can catch up. Okay, so here is my picture. Okay. Oops. Sorry about that, I made a mistake. Let me come back to it. Okay. So my first question is, how many groups are there? And there are 2 groups. Times, how many are in each group? 5. And together that equals 10. I know there's 2 ways I can count each of these little squares one by one, or I know they're in groups of 5, so I can say 5. Another 5 makes 10. Now I want to practice writing this as a division problem, which we started in lesson 4. Division, we start with the total. For now, with dividing, we're going to start with that big number, and the biggest number up here is 10. We're going to divide it into 2 groups, and that equals, well, let's see. We use the 10, we use the 2, so that leaves us with 5. So there were 10 squares divided into 2 groups, so each group had 5 squares. Okay, let's try one more like this. Again, if you need to pause the video to catch up, you can. So I've got groups of 2. So first, let's write a multiplication equation. I start with the number of groups. I have 4 groups times how much is in each group, which is 2, and that equals 8. Now I want to write a division problem with this, and a division equation. So I start with that big number. I had 8 total dots divided into 4 groups. So each group has 2 dots. Okay, let's go ahead and work on our application problem. You're going to need your Learn book with the blue trim. And lesson 5's application problem is on page 29. All right, so go ahead. I want you to pause the video here. I want you to open up to page 29 in your Learn book, read the problem, and try to work it out first and write your sentence below. So go ahead, pause, and work on this. Okay, now that you've finished working on this problem, I want to go over the answers. Stacy has 18 bracelets. She organizes the bracelets by color. She has 3 equal groups. How many bracelets are in each group? Okay, so she has 18 bracelets. She's not getting more bracelets, or it's not 18 bracelets each. 18 is the total amount of bracelets. So we are going to divide that into the 3 equal groups, and we are trying to figure out how many bracelets are in each group. So I'm going to draw the groups first. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to pass out the 18 bracelets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let me make sure they're equal. This has 6, this has 6, and this also has 6. Therefore, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now you might have drawn a different picture. Maybe you made a number bond, or maybe you made a tape diagram, or you made a different type of picture. That's fine, as long as you got to the answer that 18 divided by 3 is 6 bracelets in each group. So coming down to our sentence, we should write Stacy put 6 bracelets in each group. All right, that's it for our video today. So let me know how you did in the chat, okay? All right, bye.